Honor has announced that the Magic 8 Pro Air will be launched in China on January 19th. It looks like a mix between the iPhone Air and the Pixel 7 Pro. Magic 8 Pro Air available in black, white, purple and orange. The company positions the device as a balance between premium performance and a slim form factor. Honor Magic 8 Pro Air weighs only 155 grams, as thin as 6.1 millimeters. Honor Magic 8 Pro Air hands-on unboxing is finally leaks. Honor Magic 8 Pro Air will feature a 6.3-inch flat OLED display with a 1.5K resolution. Powering the phone could be the Dimensity 9500 chipset paired with 16 GB of RAM. Storage variants such as 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The Magic 8 Pro Air has a 50MP main camera using a 1/1.3 type sensor, a 64MP periscope telephoto camera, a 50MP ultrawide. The device will feature a 5500 mAh battery with silicon carbon anode tech and 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.